The car seat lady Emily is going to show you how to make the IMMI Go ready for a child. There's 3 steps. Step 1, move the headrest all the way up until you hit the rubber bar. Step 2, squeeze the shoulder guides and slide them up until they hit the rubber bar. Step 3, loosen the harness straps, squeeze the silver button and pull up on the strap that's closer to the child. Do this on both sides. Now you're ready for the child. There are 7 steps to buckling the child properly in the seat. Step 1, buckle between the legs. Step 2, buckle the chest clip across the chest. Step 3, gently lower the shoulder guides to right above the child's shoulders. Step 4, gently lower the headrest. Step 5, take the loops at the end of the hip straps, pull out and then pull in. Out and in. Repeat this a few times. As you do it, you'll notice the chest is getting snugger, as are the leg straps. Step 6 is to see if you made it tight. Pull forward. At the collarbone, just 1 finger should fit. You can do a 2-finger salute. That was too loose, so retighten it some. Out and then in at the hip straps. Step 6, check again. Pull forward, just the finger fits. Now, step 7, slide the chest clip up to the top of the child's armpits. Once the ride is over, the child is going to come out.